particular vendor creator is Retro Innovations, where peripheral expansion boards for primarily Commodore but also some other vintage computers. This one, the VIC MIDI, is to be installed on a Commodore VIC-20, and it looks like it has MIDI in and out. And RS-232, correct? MIDI in, out, through?
MIDI in, out, through, and RS-232.
My only question is, do the MIDI brains use pitch bend?
You know what? The guy to ask that would be Leif Bloomquist. So when you catch him, he wrote the software for it.
Oh yeah.
So I think he did put pitch bend capability into it.
Okay, cool.
The key is being able to get the pitch bend to work correctly on the VIC-20, because part of it is if the MIDI is coming in, then he has to get the actual VIC-20 sound chip to do that pitch bend capability.
Okay.
In addition to just doing the controller part. So I have to check and see with him if he's got pitch bend all figured out on the VIC turbine.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
What's your name?
Jim.
Thank you, Jim. Thanks for hacking. I'm
Thank you.